The big thing is the steering dampener. All right, that's really the whole kit and caboodle. Yeah, it has the tech package. Yeah, it has the sound system. Yeah, it has the USB port in it. Okay, it's every box you can check on the damn thing. All right. Really, the big thing is steering dampener. And there's a lot of engineering that went into this, and there's a lot of thought that went into it. And I cornered the guy from Sea-Doo, and I'm like, there's no way this is a one and done. And he goes, no. And he goes, it's not going away. And I'm like, it's going to be one of those boxes you check. And he kind of shrugged. Because, again, you can get the telescopic steering as an option. Steering dampener is going to be a pricey add-on. How it works, it's got a leverage arm that you'll see underneath it. I mean, you'll see the steering neck. It has a small pitman arm that acts as a lever. And it doesn't move. But that's its point of tension off the coil spring that's inside of it. It's a clock spring, I should say, not coil spring. It's a clock spring. Just doing some S turns, the rider input is 20 times what it is on the OPEX. And it legit soaks up a lot of that need for input. And it works really both ways. Because ultimately what your steering is doing is that it's moving the steering nozzle, the jet nozzle at the end. Well, what you find is that because the bow is hunting so bad and the ski's trying to break its tail loose, what's happening is that the nozzle is fighting and having to adjust and make hard snap turns. Well, what is going on with the dampener is that the dampener is taking a lot of that erraticism out. It really does absorb a lot of the erraticism of trying to steer the RXPX in cornering. Will the steering dampener work on other machines? I haven't tried it, so I don't really know. I mean, mechanically, yeah, it could be installed. That's easy. But how will it actually work? Well, I've yet to believe that it'll fix the ST3. I just don't believe it will. But I do believe that the steering dampener will far survive after the Apex is gone. Apex is one done. Apex is the end of 1 year. In fact, my understanding is that like all 80 or all 85 units that were supposed to go to Australia are already called for. And I don't know how many units they're going to do for the U.S. and internationally. They said, we were going to have like a limited run number, like, 1,100 or 900 or 500 or however many. And they said, well, maybe we don't want to lock ourselves into a permanent number because maybe we can make more. Okay. But it's still planned on being limited. So I think they're kind of putting the cart before the horse on that one. So anyway, the steering dampener really is the big takeaway from it.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.